Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and other high-end smartwatches receive vibration fix with new update. Garmin has quietly introduced a new beta update for high-end smartwatches, including the Fenix 8 Pro, available globally as a free update. Beta version 20.23 resolves a recent issue affecting vibration patterns when charging. The Fenix 8 series has gained another new update following last week's rollout of beta version 20.20. To recap, beta version 20.20 introduced 3 bug fixes on top of the dozens that system software 20.19 delivered at the start of November. Now Garmin has started transitioning beta program participants to beta version 20.23, available as an over-the-air OTA update. Beta version 20.23 can be downloaded on the Fenix 8 Pro and the Tactix 8. According to Garmin, 100% of eligible smartwatches should have received beta version 20.23 by now. If that is not the case for your beta program enrolled smartwatch, then you can manually trigger the installation of beta version 20.23 by selecting Check for updates within the software update submenu. According to Garmin, beta version 20.23 fixes vibrations turning off when charging. The company stresses that aviation, dive, and ECG features remain disabled with this build. Therefore, it will likely deliver at least one beta build before transitioning recent beta development to a new stable software. Please see Garmin's forum post for more details.